What's up YouTube, Kevin Reese here. So I want to show y'all something today. Just getting moved back in here into the house, getting everything put together. Still doing some cleaning up after getting the new floors, but look what I got here, y'all. This just came in the mail. Eat Like You Train, Trifecta. Now, let me go ahead and tell y'all, I wasn't planning on really doing this. You know, it's hard to meal prep. I'm just testing this out. This probably is not going to be my complete thing. Just end all to end all as far as like nutrition goes, and I'll tell y'all why. I tried it. This is the paleo diet, and I just did like chef's choice so they can give me like whatever they want. Slap this out here and let's open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. Opening this thing. So when I open it up, first thing I see here, this $100 wine voucher, and I have it covered because there's a code in there. I don't want y'all to see the code, so I'm gonna set this to the side. Go ahead and open the rest of it. You see here it's inspected by Dorian, and it's down here, so we have some styrofoam there, and this is cool. Ice pack, high performance ice pack. You get some free ice packs with out of the deal. And let's just see what we got. So Trifecta. This was mushroom gravy, sweet potato mash with salmon. I'll let y'all see that. And it comes in this package, this plastic package. It's got the nutrition facts on the back. This one is, you see what kind of meat. It says this is fish. Here's your nutrition facts on the back of this. So pretty cool little container, cryovac. And you see it's vacuum sealed here, but looks like some fish. And you know, the thing is, they have a gourmet chef that like prepares these meals, so they're all supposed to be like really delicious. This one is candied walnut yams with steak. So, and we'll see how much it is too, because it doesn't, you know, I eat a pretty good bit, and this doesn't look like a whole lot of food. But I'm gonna take these, y'all, and let's go through them all real quick and see what we have. Spiced cranberry sauce veggies with chicken thigh. All right, guys, and so if you're doing this, like I said, I mean, you're gonna amass a good bit of ice packs, so keep that in mind. You may start giving them away for free for your friends. I wish I hadn't have bought some ice packs, but like I said, I'm only doing this for 1 week. So 1 week is set. I did 7 days. And I did dinner only, so you can imagine if you did more than that, the amount of shipments that you would have. But I just did 1 week just to test it out, and I'm going to see how that process goes. I emailed them because I said, you know, I really just wanted to do kind of a week, and I skipped my shipment dates. You can skip your shipment dates, so I skipped mine, and I just kind of see, you know, I just wanted to test it out. But you can see we got a good bit of ice packs here. This is balsamic rainbow carrots with rockfish. We got savory herb zucchini with salmon. All right, pine nut pesto cauliflower with chicken wing. Last but not least, we have pumpkin curry sweet potatoes with chicken thigh. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice packs with this box in the styrofoam, which creates, it looks like a pretty inexpensive way for them to ship food and keep it very cool in this box. So that's pretty interesting. I really like that. That's pretty cool. It's a good idea for like a little mini cooler, really. It's a little cooler that you can use, put stuff in. So I'm going to go ahead, y'all. I'm just going to take my pick here and see what I want. We'll open it up, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rest in the fridge. All right, y'all. So I just grabbed the one right off the top. So I was going to go ahead and set it down. And we'll kind of open it up and see what it looks like. This wrap looks like you can just pull kind of like this. This is what it looks like. Got all your stuff in there. Doesn't look very appetizing. But I'm going to kind of heat it up and stir it up real quick, see what we're working with. Alright, so this is after nuking it for a minute. I think it might need a little bit more than that, but I'm just kind of mixing some of this stuff up here. You can see they throw the meat right on top here with everything else, and it's like it's still got some fat on it. That's chicken thigh they said they sent. Heat it for another minute. All right, so that's 2 minutes. I think we're working with something now, y'all. Kind of see here. So got a little chicken. Let's see. Tastes like chicken. It's pretty bland. They don't put any seasoning really on it. No salt, no pepper or anything. Pretty bland, y'all. Interesting. It's okay. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to talk about why I think it may not be the best deal to do it. So for one week with dinner only, it's $108 per week, and I did the math on that, y'all. And you're talking over $400, a month just for one meal a day. And that's, they said they have the plan starting at what, 80 something bucks or something like that, or pretty cheap. They're going to say that and they're going to sell that to you, but that's actually what you're getting. And for me, like I said, I got it just to try it. I don't think I'm gonna stick with it. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of it now, so they don't bill me anymore. But anyway, that's just kind of my thoughts on it, y'all. Food's not really seasoned or anything. It's pretty bland. And it may be good for some people who are really, really busy and who can really afford that month after month, and that's something that works for them. But I mean, I know families that spend $400 a month to feed a whole family. This is one meal. I went the cheapest, easiest thing I could do. I did one meal. That's it. One meal a day. $108 a week. I don't think it's really worth it. That's just my thoughts on Trifecta. But it may work for some people, but it's not just going to be really financially feasible for me to do that. It may work for you. I'm not saying, if it does, great. But anyway, y'all, those are my thoughts on it. I hope you like that unboxing. I'm Kevin Reese. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there on the right. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Thank y'all for watching. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about Trifecta, if you've tried it or if you're thinking about trying it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.